Okay, this is the next update. Um, I've been doing a lot of organizing. Last night I got probably about 3 decoders installed in locomotives that I had been putting off. And now today I'm going through all my vehicles. Instead of having them in one shoebox, I've been basically sorting them into these little containers that have lids, and then it'll cause less damage to them. The other thing is I'm going to vacuum my whole layout, so it's got some different things from drilling holes in that sawdust and styrofoam bits. So I've got these are kind of sorted in what fits in a container, I guess, and see what I have and what's rare and what's missing. And this is what was at the bottom of the container, which is a bunch of little broken bits or whatever. And I've got some cars that are cut up for accidents, so they'll have their own container. These are all basically Viking vehicles from Germany. These are some Bush and Tommy Tech, but basically pickups and work vans. There's some classic metalworks in there. These are all classic metalworks except for the transformers. These are all classic metalworks except for these two. These are all police cars and fire chief cars, and it's a mix of brands. These are all the Road Champs and a bunch of F-350s from Classic Metalworks, a couple Athearn trucks. These are the Viking trucks that you saw before. These are just Volkswagen Beetles, animals that aren't glued down to the layout yet. And these are all Classic Metalworks, mostly cube trucks and cabs, basically. So over here I've got some Atlas trailers and Concord trailers and Classic Metalworks trailers. So kind of gives you an idea. And I actually am, as soon as I'm done filming here, I got to go get a few more containers from the dollar store. I went to 3 today and I couldn't get the exact kind. I had to get these red ones instead. So I like the clear ones. You can see what's in them. So that's what I've been doing for the last couple hours. And these are a bunch of Tommy Tech little, they're either Toyotas or Nissans, but they work because they're 50s style Nissan Cedrics or Toyota Crowns or whatever. And I've got a whole bunch of the same type. So, and these are the Kato Toyotas is what they are. So I basically have got the layout completely emptied of vehicles, pretty much. There's a few buses and stuff that are left on here, and I left the camping scene, the trailer park scene. So another update is I took out the town part of Missoula. I stole the buildings from it and I put them in Livingston. Excuse me. And I'm going to build up the mountain scene up here and put in 2 tunnel portals is what I'm going to do. That McDonald's is just an extra one. So there'll still be the station here, but the little houses and all that, it was just too hard to see it because it's way up there in the corner. And I repurposed the buildings here. So, oh, look, I found more. Oh, geez. So I've got a kind of a disaster in here, but it's all organizing, and it's going to pay off because I need to know what I have. I have no idea. I was done with not finding things. So that's basically it. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.